The exterior of Golden One Center, the brand new home of the NBA Sacramento Kings, features 7 sections of LiveWall brand green walls. The world's first indoor sports venue certified LEED Platinum, Golden One Center was designed to be different. Designed by AECOM, it celebrates Sacramento's climate and lifestyle with an innovative indoor-outdoor design that reimagines how an arena can relate to the streetscapes and neighborhoods around it. The design team was inspired to make the building look as if it rests on the green wall, grounding the arena on the landscape and extending the landscape from the plaza up the walls of the arena itself. As people walk into the arena, they see living bands of green that vary in different sections based upon the patterns of sun and shade around the building. Completed in September 2016, the 7 sections of green wall total 4,800 square feet and include 2,700 LiveWall modular planters. They feature 18 different types of plants and 5,400 plants in total. All flowering plants bloom in shades of purple, the King's signature color.